Hello my dear students, welcome to class 3rd. Students, due to COVID-19, you have to do online study. Hope you all are enjoying and doing well. Students, today we will start first lesson of English, that is a role model, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Student, do you know who was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Yes, he was the 11th president of India and he was called Missile Man. Our lesson based on him. So student, before starting the lesson, first we will complete our warm-up exercise. Do you know the President of India is the head of the state and the first citizen of India. He or she is also the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. There have been 13 presidents of India since its independence. So one question is here. Name the following presidents with the help of the box. So student, first picture is here. Our first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay. Second picture is here. The 11th president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. The third picture is here. Pranab Kumar Mukherjee. He was the 13th president of India. Last picture is Ramnath Kovind. He is the 14th president of India. Student, now who is our president? Yes, Mr. Ramnath Kovind is our president. Okay. Now we will move to our lesson. Students, this lesson is very interesting, inspiring and motivational. In this lesson, a boy named Deepak. So students, now we will start the lesson. Students, before starting the lesson, you need to know some new words. Okay? So first new word is here, giggles. It means laughter in a silly way. Next is greeted, welcome to someone with particular words. Third is shattered. It means destroyed. Fourth is provided. It means given. Fifth is indigenous. It means originating in a particular place. Sixth is winding. It means twisting. Seventh is chatter. It means talk informally about unimportant matter. Eighth is excited. It means very eager. Ninth is confidently. It means definitely. And tenth is popular. It means famous. So students, these new words will help you to understand lesson easily. Now we will start the lesson. Deepak picked up his bag and ran down the winding road on his way to school. So student, what is the meaning of winding? Yes, the meaning of winding is twisting. He heard the school bell ring and said to himself, there goes the school bag, it is welcoming me. As he ran in, the giggle and chatter of the children greeted him. What is the meaning of giggles? Yes, giggles means welcome to someone with particular words. Okay. Students, when you entered in school, then all children were talking na. So, like our school, the students of Deepak's school were talking with each other. Deepak entered the classroom and sat on a seat near the window, his favorite place. So student, you always sit on your favorite place na, like you. Deepak always sat on his favorite corner. He took out his book and the class teacher entered. Good morning, ma'am, greeted the students. She smiled and looked around. Student, what is the meaning of greeted? Yes, welcome to someone with particular words. Okay. So, when Deepak's teacher entered in class, then all the students of his class greeted the teacher. Then teacher replied, "Good morning, dear children. Today we will read about a very famous person who was also the president of our country. Look at this picture and let me see how many of you can guess his name." All the students shouted, APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, she said. What she said? Yes, his teacher said, yes, this picture of APJ Abdul Kalam. Deepak, like others, opened his book and waited. He had started coming to school after a gap of 1 year after his father's death in the city. It was not possible for his mother to send him to school. They moved their village and she started working in the fields to earn a living. Students, the meaning of field is open lands for crops. What is the meaning of fields? Open lands for crops. Okay. Deepak wanted to become a police officer. What did Deepak wanted to be? Yes, Deepak wanted to become a police officer. But his dream was shattered. What is the meaning of shattered? Destroyed, damaged. Okay. Life went on and one morning he saw a big boat at the village crossing. The villagers had gathered around it and were discussing in excited voice. So what is the meaning of gathered? Yes, gathered means collected. And what is the meaning of discussing? Talking with each other. What is the meaning of excited? Yes, excited means very eager or very happy. They said that a big industrialist was setting up a school for the children of 10 surrounding villages. All the children would be provided education, books and uniforms free of cost. So what is the meaning of provided? It means given. It was truly a blessing for many. It means it was a very good news for everyone. Within months, the school was functional. It means within months, a school was built and Deepak was very happy to resume his study. Resume means to take back. His mother got a helper's job in the same school. Deepak, can you read the lesson for us? Said the teacher. Her teacher was saying to Deepak, Deepak, can you read the lesson for us? He confidently replied, yes, ma'am. He read aloud. So he was full of confidence to read the chapter. Awul Fakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam, popularly known as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, what was the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam? Yes, Awul Fakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam was the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam. Was an Indian scientist who was also the 11th president of India. Who was the 11th president of India? Yes, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of India. He was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu in South India. His father Jainaluddin was a boat owner and his mother Ashi Amma was a housewife. He came from a poor family and started to work at very early age to earn money for his family members. He loved his family. He scored average marks in school but was very hardworking and intelligent. So Abdul Kalam was very hardworking and intelligent boy. He spent hours study, especially mathematics. So his favorite subject was mathematics. After school, Kalam distributed newspaper to earn money. Dear students, here I am explaining you about Abdul Kalam in very short. You know student, he was called a missile man of India. Who was called a missile man of India? Yes, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam called a missile man of India. He was writer and involved in various educational institutions. So student, what is the meaning of involved? It means included. Involved means included. Various means different types of. Okay? Students, do you know Abdul Kalam was elected the President of India in 2002. He has written many famous books like India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium, Ignited Minds, Wings of Fire, and Mission India 2020. Abdul Kalam loves the youth and children. What is the meaning of youth? Yes, young. He felt happy to meet them. He believed that they are the future of our country. The teacher said, "Good reading, Deepak. I am so proud of you. Let us all clap for him." The children clapped loudly, but Deepak was lost his thoughts. On his way back from school, he was quiet. At night, he told his mother, "Mama, I want to become a scientist like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam." She smiled and hugged him. "What does that mean? But I am sure you will do well," Deepak felt. So students, when Deepak heard about Abdul Kalam, he also wanted to be like that. Seeing the motivation and confidence of Deepak, her mother smiled and hugged him. He was very happy. So student, this was our first lesson. Hope you understood. Students, I already given you some new words before starting the lesson. So you have to read and write that words in your homework copy. Students, now we will move to our book exercise. Okay, tick the correct answer. Dr. Abdul Kalam graduated from the Madras Institute of Technology in, what is the correct answer? Yes, 1960 is the correct answer. Dr. Abdul Kalam was elected the President of India in, when Dr. Abdul Kalam was elected the President of India in, yes, what is the correct answer? 2000, 2002, 1992, 2005. Yes, what is the correct answer? 2002 is the correct answer. Next, after reading the chapter on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Deepak wanted to become a, yes, what did Deepak wanted to become a? Yes, Deepak wanted to become a scientist. Okay. So student, for the question answer, you have to download PDF file from the SNCS site and you have to write question answer, hard words and word meaning in your classwork copy. So student, now we will move to our next exercise, grammar is fun. So student, you already studied about noun in previous class. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or things. So students, in this class we will read about collective nouns. A collective noun is the name of group of people, animals or things. Example, I saw a herd of elephant. Ram bought a bunch of bananas. The word herd refers to a collection of elephants. Bunch refers to a collection of bananas. Therefore, herd and bunch are example of collective noun. So, student, one practice exercise is given here. Okay. Match the pictures to the collective nouns. Okay. So, you have to match the picture to the collective nouns. So first picture is here bot. So group of bot is called fleet. Okay, group of word is called fleet. Okay, next picture is bunch of flowers, flock of birds and pack of cards. Before moving next exercise, I am showing you one chart here. Collective nouns, a singular noun that names a group. Example, one class, many kids. So, a group of student called class, a group of player called team, a group of people called crowd, and group of fish called school of fish, group of bees called hive of bees, and group of gums called pack of gums. Okay. Now we will move to our next exercise, countable and uncountable noun. Read these sentences carefully. There are 5 apples in the basket. There is some sugar in the pot. There are 2 biscuits in the plate. There are some milk in the cup. Okay? So students, things which we can count are called countable nouns. Example, biscuits and apples. And things we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Example, sugar and milk. Some other things which we cannot count are floor, gold and rain. Students, here I am showing you one chart, countable and uncountable nouns. You have to read this chart. From this chart, you will easily do this exercise. Write C below the things we can count and you see below the things we cannot count. So, wind. You can count wind or not? No, no, you cannot count the wind now. So, you have to write here U, C. Music. You can count music? No. So, you have to write here U, C. And chair. You can count chair or not? Yes, we can count chairs. So, you have to write here C. Next is floor. We cannot count floor. So, you have to write here U, C. And next is pencil. We can count pencil or not? Yes, tell me. Yes, we can count pencil. So, you have to write here C. Our next exercise is gender. Nouns that refer to males are said to be of the masculine gender. Example, lion, boy, man. Noun that refers to females are said to be feminine gender. Example, lioness, girl, woman. Noun that refer to both male and female are said to be of the common gender. Examples, parent, child, servant. Noun that name non-living things which are neither male nor female are said to be of the neuter gender. Example, pencil, book, river. Match the masculine noun with the feminine noun. Okay? So student, you have to match masculine noun with the feminine noun. Okay? Man, yes. Woman, uncle, aunt, dog, bitch, deer, yes. Doe, lion, lioness, king, queen. Now we will move to our next exercise. Let's spell. When two words are joined to form a new word, the new word formed is called a compound word. Like life plus time is equal to lifetime. We add time. So time here. What is time here? Yes, tell me. Time here. New word and that lifetime called compound word. Okay. Add suitable word from the box to form compound word as shown. Butter, flies. So, butter plus fly is equal to butterfly. Foot, ball. Foot plus ball is equal to football. Pass plus port is equal to passport. Now we will move to our next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable letter to form meaningful words taken from the lesson. Okay, you may use the clues given the help box. First is favorite. What is the spelling of favorite? Favorite. Favorite. Second is scientist. What is the spelling of scientist? SCIENTIST. Scientist. Next is aerospace. 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 Next is satellite. 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 So student, this was our first lesson and its exercise. Now you have to word power. Write the antonyms of the following word. This is your homework. You have to write in your book and you have to send this homework on my WhatsApp number. Okay student, thank you.